In this video, we are doing a combination of two of the latest Too Many Spirits videos from our favorite Ghoul boys. Link in the description. Follow those guys. They are hilarious. They make great videos, and you should check them out. That's a message to the 5 to 6 people on average that will watch this. I would call this one the Prideful Professor. We're mixing the Pride punch with the Professor drink. So to start off, you'll put a little bit of grenadine in the bottom of the glass, just a little bit. You know, it's like, you can see that a little bit. This looks like a little bit of blood at the bottom. This part, very important, you're going to add a bunch of ice. Like, just fill the rest of the glass with ice if you can, if not, at least halfway. And do that. In a separate container, you're going to mix 1 part peach schnapps to 2 parts pineapple juice. Also, all of these measurements are per drink. So, now that we have this, we very carefully pour this over the top as to not mix the bottom and create layers. So, like, try to hit the ice. Pop, pop, pop. And you end up with this, like, nice divide here. In a separate container, we're going to do 1 part carousel, 1 part coconut cream of coconut, and 2 parts rum. 2 parts rum, white rum. 2 parts white rum. 2 parts white rum. 2 parts white rum. Red rum. Red rum. Red rum. Carousel. Got it all over the floor. At least it's bright blue, so it's easy to find. This stuff is like super thick and gross. The cream of coconut is very nasty. It mixes really well, but it looks disgusting. It's a good point my wife makes. You find cream of coconut is generally in the drink mixing section more so than like canned fruits. Then we got 2 parts of this white rum. Again, this is a mixture of the 2 drinks. Look at the links in the bottom. I'm going to link both videos. Those guys are so much better at interneting than I am. But I think they're very cool and funny. Shout out to Steve and Lynn as well for coming up with these drinks. True, true. Linda Vergara also. So this is the craziest thing about that cream of coconut. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but this is like all milky looking. That's not what the cream of coconut is like, kind of translucent.
It looks like motor oil kind of.
Yeah, like it looks more oily, and then once it hits anything, it turns it super creamy. So anyways, we're going to add this to these other drinks. Ah, that mixed immediately.
Oh no!
That is a bummer. I should have not done this on camera.
Do the other one normal. Oh,
it's too late. I mean, it still looks pretty cool. Man. The thumbnail will include one that we did earlier today that actually still looks good. Yeah.
You did over a spoon last time.
Yeah, if you pour it over a spoon, then you won't get this mixture, and you can get this like nice layered effect that looks like a beautiful sunset or like a pride flag. So BLNT, baby. Also, side note, it's much better once you mix it up anyways, taste-wise, so I'm not super sad that this turned out this way. But it just looks so pretty when it's not like this. Anyways, next up, we'll be tasting a thing we've tasted before on camera. We're recording, and we're looking at this. See, once you mix it, it looks like just a milky grape.
Grape milk.
Disgusting looking, but my god, that's really, really good. Like, those 2 things combined, the 2 drinks, bellissimo. Like,
I concur.
Also, both those drinks on their own are super good. Go look at those guys' channel, Watcher. Very good. Those boys are smart and ghouly and spooky.
And get their blanket.
Yeah, the blankets are nice. Anyways, like and subscribe to this channel too if you like it. Toodles.